So this is the Ivation heating and cooling cooler. As you can see, it just plugs into the car. It comes with an AC adapter, or it can go into like an outlet. It comes with both plugs, which is the great thing that I love about it. Up here is the control, so you can switch it from hot to cold. But I've had several heating coolers. I'm an infusion. I take care of patients and do infusions. And this is not one of the better ones that we've had in the past. I do like how secure the plugs are as opposed to the other brands that we've used. Because like back here, it would just be, it wouldn't be reinforced very well. So that's what would break the previous coolers. But this does not heat as well as the previous brands that we've had in the past. And so like I can pull a bag out. This has been heating since 8 o'clock this morning. And the IV fluids that we use, the bottom half of my bag is cold and the top part of this bag is hot. So whereas opposed to the previous brands, the whole entire fluid bag of fluids would be, the heat would have been distributed perfectly.
This is the Ivation, I guess, car cooler. The handle back locks the cover shut forward, allows you to open it. I don't have anything in mind, but I can tell it's cool. It's definitely getting cold. If you've ever owned something like this before, you know it's largely dependent upon ambient temperature, and the office I'm in right now is about 70 degrees, so it wouldn't surprise me if this was getting down to 40 without a problem. The hot actually does get warm. I don't really have any use for that, for the hot function, so I probably won't be using that. It's got built-in spot for the power cables. This is, of course, your 12 volt and then your 110 AC. I wouldn't say that it's easy to get these back in, but it's not too bad. Other than that, it's pretty basic. I'll be using it in my locker at work, so I have a refrigerator function so I can keep my lunch cold.